this is a great little summertime wild edible that is very sweet, has an apricot or peach flavor. The flower is really pretty and really easy to identify. This is called Maypop because it makes a fruit that when you step on it, it pops in Louisiana, but it's actually a passion flower. It's a wild Louisiana variety of passion fruit and passion flower, and it's really pretty. They're easy to identify. They grow wild. I'll show you what they look like when they turn to a fruit. So they make these little fruits. They're kind of hollow. Here, Shy, you can have the flower. Yeah. It's pretty, huh?
Yeah.
So the fruits, basically, they're kind of hollow inside. If you step on them, they pop, but we're not going to do that. You just pull it open. And they have these little seeds that are covered in this jelly stuff that is sweet, tastes like peach. Think of it kind of like a pomegranate, how the pomegranate seed is covered. So you can just chew the seed up and eat the whole thing, or you can just break it and chew the stuff off and spit the seed out. They're green, but they're going to turn yellow before they're ripe. There's a lot of different varieties, and they're all a little different and a little differently colored. But these typically turn a bit golden before they're ripe. One thing you'll notice is that they attract bumblebees, carpenter bees to pollinate. Regular bees will pollinate them as well too, but they seem to attract carpenter bees.